I created voiceovers, translated videos, and achieved accurate lip syncs, all within minutes.
Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend doing the same task every single day?
You know, it's interesting. Most careers don't change in one big moment. It's usually one meeting, one idea, one random conversation.
These are Higgsfield AI's new audio and lip sync features, and in this video, I'll show you how to use them so that you can generate voices, match it with video, and sync lip movements in real time. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Start by signing in to Higgsfield AI. From the top menu, click on Audio. Once inside, you'll see three options. Select VoiceOver to begin. This tool works as a TTS system. You type your script, and it generates natural-sounding speech from it. In the input box, add your text. You can also style it for better expression, like calm tone or thoughtful pause. You can either use a custom voice or pick from the built-in voice library. These voices are powered by multiple models, including 11 labs. For this demo, let's choose 11v3 since it works well with short scripts and gives clean, expressive output. Click Generate, and within seconds, your voiceover is ready.
Sometimes you work harder. Sometimes you work smarter. The funny thing is, most people never notice the difference until it's too late.
The output sounds natural and the tone stays expressive and controlled. Next is the Change Voice option. This lets you replace the original voice in a video with a completely different one while keeping the same visuals. To use it, first upload or reference the video you want to modify. Then select the voice you want your character to speak in. You can choose from the available voice models depending on the tone you need. After selecting the model, click Generate. Wait a few minutes while the system processes the audio and rebuilds the voice track. Once done, you get a new version of your video with the updated voice.
Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend doing the same task every single day?
The result stays tightly synced with the lip movements and feels natural in playback. The last option is video translation. This lets you convert your video into different languages while keeping the same speaker and timing. Start by selecting the video you want to translate, then choose your target language. Higgsfield AI currently supports around 18 languages. For this example, let's select Japanese. Click Generate and wait a few minutes while the system processes the audio and rebuilds the output. Once ready, you'll get a translated version of your video with synced lip movement.
ちょっと聞かせてください。毎日同じ作業にどれぐらい時間を費やしていますか?
The lip sync stays accurate and matches the new language well. Now let's move to Lip Sync Studio for talking AI avatars. To start, hover over the video section and open Lip Sync Studio. First, upload or reference the image you want to animate. Aim for a clean portrait with a shallow depth of field for best results. Next, write the audio script. Keep it expressive so the output feels natural. For example, you can use this structure to control delivery, caps for emphasis, ellipses for pauses, and brackets for tone or action. Then define how the character should behave on screen. You can describe posture, movement, and expression like this. After that, choose your model. For the best lip sync performance, select Kling 2.6 Lip Sync. Set the duration to 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on your output needs. A 10-second clip usually costs around 20 credits. And here's the result.
Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend doing the same task?
The expressions look natural, and lip sync is smooth. However, accuracy can drop if your script isn't precise, so wording matters. You may need to regenerate for cleaner speech alignment. From my testing, I usually had to regenerate at least 3 times to eliminate errors, but overall, the output stays solid. Now, let's talk about pricing. To access these features, you need at least the basic plan, which starts at $9 per month and includes 120 monthly credits. Higher tier plans unlock more credits and advanced generation options, depending on how much output you plan to create. Overall, Higgsfield's audio and lip sync tools give you a single workflow for voice, translation, and synced video generation. It works well for creators who need quick production without switching between multiple tools. Although the results are generally strong, lip sync outputs may need a few retries to get precise alignment and clean speech. So try out Higgsfield AI audio and lip sync features using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.